In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a shared album in OneDrive in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to organize your photos, keep everything in one place, and share a folder with family, friends, or coworkers without sending images one by one. Whether you want to build a personal photo album or a shared workspace for events, OneDrive makes it really easy. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful step-by-step guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can go to the OneDrive website and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to your OneDrive dashboard, where all your files and folders are stored. Once you're inside OneDrive, look for the Create button at the top of the page. Click Create, then choose Folder. This is where your shared album will begin. Since OneDrive works through folders, creating a folder is the best way to organize your photos like an album. Now enter a name for your album. Try to choose something clear and easy to recognize, like vacation photos, family reunion, birthday party, or project images. After typing the name, click Create. Your new folder will now appear in your OneDrive storage. Next, open the folder you just created. Inside the folder, you'll upload the photos that you want to include in your shared album. To do that, click Upload, then select Files. This will open your computer's file picker so you can choose the photos from your device. Go ahead and select the images you want to add. You can usually pick multiple photos at once, which saves time if you're uploading a lot of pictures. After selecting the files, click Open. OneDrive will begin uploading your photos into the folder. Depending on the size and number of photos, the upload may take a few moments. Once the upload is finished, your photos will now be stored inside the folder, ready to be shared. Now comes the most important part. To make this folder work like a shared album, click the Share button. This opens the sharing options for your folder. Here, OneDrive gives you different ways to control who can see the album. You can choose anyone with the link if you want to make it easy for people to access the album. This option is useful if you want to send the folder link to a group of people and let them view it without needing individual invitations. Or, if you want more control and privacy, choose specific people. That way, only the people you invite by email will be able to access the folder. After choosing your sharing option, you can either click Copy Link or enter email addresses directly. If you choose the link option, OneDrive will generate a shareable link that you can paste into a message, email, or chat. If you choose specific people, just type in their email addresses and send the invitation. Before you send it out, take a moment to double-check the permissions. Make sure the access level matches what you want. For example, if you only want people to view the photos, keep it as View Only. If you want others to add or edit files, you may need to adjust the permissions depending on your OneDrive settings. Once everything looks good, send the link or invitation to the people you want to share it with. They'll be able to open the folder and view the photos inside, just like a shared album. If you add more photos later, you can upload them to the same folder and anyone with access will be able to see the updated album. This is one of the easiest ways to keep a group of photos organized and accessible from anywhere. It works great for family memories, event photos, school projects, business media, and any situation where you want one central place for images. And that's it. You've successfully created a shared album in OneDrive. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.